Hey, so you're my new pilot.
Wow, unbelievable.
Before we can hit the skies, you've got some stuff to do. You need to register online, complete the training, and pass the test. Wow, that was easy. You're not just a pretty face. Good that you check beforehand where we can and cannot fly.
Oh, sorry.
Even a smart guy like you knows better. Read the manual. You want to fly me or not? Ouch, Paul! Are you serious? Keep me in sight, always. You don't want to lose me. Are you nuts? Don't fly me higher than 120 meters. And not too close to other objects, to airports, or over groups of people.
Okay, I understand. Oh, cool! A pool party!
Ouch! That's not funny, Paul! We can't take photos or videos of people without their permission. Flying a drone is really fun and not so complicated if you follow some rules. Register yourself, check where you can fly, keep the drone in sight, and do not fly above 120 meters or close to obstacles and airports. And do not invade privacy. Then, you're a really good pilot.